Welcome to Powerops Desktop. You've just received a list of updates from your HR team, new pages, sorting adjustments, new measures, and relationship changes. You've made the updates, but how do you ensure all requested changes are correctly implemented and nothing extra has changed? Introducing the Compare feature in Powerops Desktop, your ultimate time saver for validating report modifications effortlessly. Powerops Desktop helps you quickly verify changes between two versions of your Power BI report, whether it's updates to visuals, measures, or even data model relationships. You get a detailed breakdown without any manual effort. You get to compare at report level. You can identify changes in pages, visuals, and formatting. You can also compare at data model, track updates to measures, calculated columns, and relationships. Let's walk through a real-world example. The HR team has asked for specific modifications in your Power BI report. Here's what they need. You've made these changes, but how do you ensure every requested update is correctly applied and that no unintended modifications have slipped through? With Powerops Compare, you can quickly validate that. The All Hires page is now removed and Attrition page is added. The second requirement was to change the landing page to Attrition page instead of New Hires, but this particular change has not been done. The sorting of the new hires visual is set to month. The date picker custom visual is also added. The team has requested to add 8 new measures and modify 4 different measures, and those are reflecting here as well. The relationship change from employee date to employee hire date is also applied, and the filter direction between the FP and the employee table is now set to both. With Powerops Compare, you can be 100% sure that every requested update is applied correctly, without wasting time on manual validation. Stop second-guessing your report updates. Download Powerops Desktop today and make your Power BI workflow more efficient.